Ye Teri Galiyan. Ye Teri Galiyan was one of my best show, I would say, because I have learned so many things from there. Chemistry between
Okay.
Kunal and Kuhu, it's like very no joke wala
Hmm.
chemistry. I'm completely shocked to see such sweet actors have been casted
Hmm.
together in the show.
Firstly, welcome to
Uh,
TV Buzz, Avinash. Thank you so much for
Thank
giving
you.
us this opportunity to interview you. Firstly, tell
Arre
us, how
nahi.
are you? How is this quarantine treating you?
I'm really good, and now no more quarantine. I'm back to shoots. Done with
Yeah,
the quarantine.
yeah. Okay. So how does it feel like, after right after Ye Teri Galiya, you're
Mm-hmm.
making like you're entering this show which has
Mm-hmm.
already set some huge standards on Indian television.
Mm-hmm.
Rajan Chai,
True.
who's
Yeah,
considered as one of the most
mm-hmm.
promising producers of Indian television.
Mm-hmm.
How was your experience working with it? And firstly, tell us like how did it all fall in place? Because when we heard the news of Ritvik getting replaced overnight, how was it all
Mm-hmm.
like? Because
Well,
we were in
see,
shock. Were you in shock?
sorry.
So firstly, we were in
Huh.
shock,
Ah.
getting like Ritwik's character getting replaced
Mm-hmm.
was something like
Mm-hmm.
any Ye Rishte fan must have never imagined. How was it
Mm-hmm.
for you? Like, were you surprised or something like that? How was it all like?
See, I'll tell you how it happened. I was in my hometown,
Okay.
Raipur. I just got the call from the creative team over there. It's like, Avinash, this is the show,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the character, and these has too many layers, and this is how it's gonna be. So I said, okay,
Okay.
fine. So I was really interested in the character because as an actor, I really crave for these kind of roles where you get the layers to perform. So this was
Yeah.
exactly that kind of a role. So I just said, "Ki, okay, yeah, I'm okay for it." So they asked me to come like overnight. They wanted me to catch the flight next day morning. I said, okay, fine, I'll do it. I don't have any issues. So
Yeah.
I landed Bombay next day, and then I
Yeah.
went and we had a meeting. We had a look test and we did the mock shoots, and it just happened like I landed and it happened that way. So I was
Okay.
actually surprised, and I was feeling blessed too because in this pandemic, these actors are really
Mm-hmm.
look. People want to work, yeah. Like many actors
Yeah.
are there, like my fellow friends, they are there. They really want to work, but shows are not running on floor. Some shows are getting scrapped.
Yeah.
So no, I feel blessed
Yeah.
that in this pandemic I'm working and I'm working with the best team over there. So really great. I'm really thankful to Mr.
Yeah.
Rajan Chai and the whole team.
Okay, also on the other hand, Avinash, as you
Mhm.
said, the shows are getting scrapped, whereas you are going to be a part of show which is already set a standard, Rishte Hai Pyar Ke.
Mhm.
So,
Yeah.
we have seen your journey from right from Sethi to Ishqbaz and then Ye Teri Gali and now
Mhm.
the Ye Rishte Hai Pyar Ke.
Yeah.
How has your journey been?
Mhm.
Playing for, being part of 4 different shows. Also, you did some
Mhm.
episodics, but majorly you are known for these shows that you've done on Indian television.
Mhm.
How will
Yep.
you describe your journey? Because portraying characters and this is one thing that I've heard from all the television actors that once you
Mhm.
play the role for a certain set of time, you get used to it. How difficult was it,
Mhm.
and how was it all like?
So honestly, I'll tell you, when I joined my first show, na Sethi, I had no clue about
Yeah.
acting, nothing. I just came to Bombay. I did some TV
Okay.
ads, I did some modeling, and then I went for the
Yeah.
audition for this show, Sethi, and
Yeah.
they liked me. They wanted the character exactly the way I was. So that just
Okay.
happened to me. That Sethi happened to me. I went to the show, and then the directors were there, producer they were there. They actually taught
Yeah.
me each and everything that Avinash, this is the camera, this is what we call right look, this is what we call left look. So I had no idea about acting. So that Sethi was like a school for me. I learned everything from there. And
Okay.
then an actor should be like in every show you need to learn something. And I've been like from last 4 years I've been working here. So I feel I still have so many things to learn and explore about myself. That now what more
Yeah.
I can do. So I feel there has to be a growth in each and every show, and that has been I have been following in my every show. Like from Sethi to Ishqwaz. Ishqwaz it was a negative character, not exactly negative. It
Yeah.
was a grayish character. So from Sethi, it
Yeah.
was a positive character to a grayish character. So I learned something from
Yeah.
there. Then I went to Mariam Khan. It was a very decent character. So I was trying to grab that character into me, and then I did Ye Teri Galiyan. Ye Teri Galiyan was one of my best show, I would say, because I have learned so many things from there. Uh, I have played so many emotions and so many layers in that character, Shan, that
Yeah.
I can say that I have learned the best out of me from that show yet, and
Yeah.
this is
Yeah.
gonna be the new one, and definitely I'm trying to
Mm-hmm.
learn more. skills and explore myself here too. So the journey has
Yeah.
been really great, and it has been very
Mm-hmm.
kind to me, I would say, because actors really want to work back to back, and they don't want to sit at home. I have been very fortunate that I
Yeah.
never had to sit at home for long. I have completed the show,
Yeah.
then again there was a next show. I completed the show, then there was again next show. So I was really blessed and
Yeah.
thankful to God. Like, no, I have been working back to back. That's it.
Okay. Also on the other hand, Avinash, like ये
Yeah.
बात मैंने बहुत सारे टीवी एक्टर्स से सुनी है. Not only TV actors,
Acha.
actors in general. Let's not categorize like that.
Okay.
ये बात मैंने
Yeah.
हमेशा सुनी है कि whenever you play a particular character in a TV show में कैसा
Hmm.
होता है कि आप एक किरदार बहुत समय तक निभाते हो, और फिर
Okay.
जब आपको दूसरा शो तुरंत ऑफर होता है तो कहीं ना कहीं यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट कैरेक्टर, क्योंकि बहुत समय तक आपने प्ले किया होता है. तो कभी कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि जब आप ये रिश्ते के सेट पे हो, कभी कभी
Hmm.
थोड़े से न्यूआंसेस आपके शान के आ गए हो, जो आप अभी
Hmm.
किरदार प्ले करो, कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू गेट आउट ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर, ऑफ अ
See,
पर्टिकुलर कैरेक्टर दैट यू आर प्लेइंग प्रीवियसली?
see, it won't be difficult. I would say, sometimes it just happens. It happens like that.
ओके.
Because obviously when you're joining a new show, new character, new role, you will definitely do your homework. You will get into that character. You will like to
या.
go into that character. But when you
या.
have like Shan and this Kunal, they have some, like there are some things which are relatable to both of them. Both of them.
या.
Like he's also very stern, and Shan, the previous Shan, the first when I joined the show, he was
या.
also very stern. He was also focusing on
या.
business, and also there can be a glimpse
या.
of Shan. That just comes inside. Well, that is in the script. I have not created that thing. That's in the
या.
script.
या.
That just happened like
दैट्स
that.
द स्क्रिप्ट. या.
So yeah, there was
या.
a
या.
scene I was doing over here, and I will just share
या.
short of some memory what happened here. There was a scene which
या.
I was doing there. So that this Kunal is also like that. He'll be very focused about the business, and he'll be very he'll speak less. His eyes will speak more, and he'll talk point to point, very point to point. So Shan is also like
या.
that. So when I was doing that scene, I read the script. I was like, "Acha, yaar, he's so exactly like Shan." So that thoda moda
अच्छा.
glimpse will come. But
या.
it won't be difficult for me to leave Shan back and get into Kunal's character, because both are quite similar but still very far when it comes to the family relationships.
Poles apart. Yeah, okay, okay.
हाँ.
Okay, also on the other hand, जैसे आपने ही कहा कि as an actor आपको कैरेक्टर के पहले उस चीज का एक कैरेक्टर का आपको होमवर्क करना होता है. You have to obviously learn the nuances.
Obviously, हाँ.
आपको कौन सी सारी चीजें अनलर्न करनी पड़ी, क्योंकि एक कैरेक्टर एक पर्टिकुलर वे में लिखा होता है,
हाँ.
हमारी पर्सनालिटी शायद उससे मैच करे नहीं करे. अनलर्न कौन सी सारी चीजें करनी पड़ी आपको?
See, unlearn was मतलब वो different scene है यार, because unlearn करना is not a part of getting into someone's character. वो back of the mind ठीक है रहेगा, but what we have to learn, that's more important. For this character, I had to learn the family thing. Like the bromance is very the integral part of the show. Like people love it, like the bromance of the show. So the bromance will be there. In Ye Teri Galiyan, there was no bromance. So in this show, it's gonna be bromance, and the chemistry between Kunal and Kuhu. It's like very no joke wala chemistry. And what I had with Shan and Asmita, that was very intense. That was very intense, and had a dark back history. So those things were there. Here it's very cool, very light-hearted scenes between Kunal and Kuhu. So it's not like you have to unlearn something, but I have to get into something. Like there have to be new learning over here.
Okay. Also on the other hand, Avinash, like as I mentioned in the start, that you've replaced Hrithwik. Hrithwik had obviously had a certain kind of a fan following, and are you open to the comparison that will be done between the fans?
Yeah,
like there are some, because later in the day it was trending on Twitter that we want Hrithwik as Kunal only. How difficult it will be for you to establish yourself as Kunal in the show?
See, that's a human nature. Yeah? You can't stop people to compare. Like that will happen, and that's really great if it's happening, because people love that character so much that they're not able to accept. Obviously, fans have that sentiments. Yeah, like they can't. You just can't say ki chalo, bhul jao. So they have sentiments.
Exactly.
So they must have been very connected to Hrithwik playing Kunal. So obviously he's a very good-looking actor, great actor. He has done his job very well. So unfortunately he's not there right now, and that's how I've stepped in. So obviously as an actor, I won't think I'm doing a replacement. I will just look this as a new role, new character, new show. So for me, it's gonna be like zero. I've started a new thing. That's it. Because if I'll think about the comparison, I won't be able to perform. So that's not how I'm gonna think. let people think, let
Yeah.
people compare, because obviously it might take time for audience,
Yeah.
but I'm sure
Yeah.
I will get my place. I'm sure about that.
Okay. Okay. Also, on the other hand, I'm sure that you must have met Shahir and Reha, the lead pair of Ye Rishte. How was the
Definitely.
experience working with them, and how was your first interaction with them like? Was there some kind of an awkwardness, like you meeting someone for the first
Hmm.
time, new place, new people?
Hmm.
How was it all like?
Well, मैंने सारे interviews में यही बोला है, I'm completely shocked to see such sweet actors have been casted
Mm-hmm.
together in the show. Like it was a
Okay.
magical thing for me. Okay, like we have these kind of sweet actors in our industry too, because they have been very sweet. Yeah, like I entered the set, they were very warm, welcoming. They welcomed me and they were helping me in each and everything
Yeah.
to find me Kunal. Like this is the Kunal character. You have to grab this. So they all were
Uh-huh.
helping me. Yeah.
Mhm.
Like I've
Okay.
been shooting from last 1 week, and now it doesn't feel like
Mhm.
that I've just entered the show in the mid. Feels like I've been shooting from last so
Yeah.
many years. I've been so comfortable with both
Yeah.
of them. Like not only both of them,
Yeah.
the whole cast. Like they're very sweet.
Yeah. Okay. That's really great. What was your
Mhm.
interaction with Rajan Chai sir like? You obviously he
Okay,
must have
okay. I
gave you
haven't
his pieces.
I haven't met him yet, but we had a phone call.
Okay.
So
Okay.
obviously he just said, yeah, all those positive things, and before starting a show, like I'm so really thankful that Mr. Rajan Shahi had so much faith and believe in me that like yes, Avinash, you could do it. So that's a huge
Yeah.
responsibility he has given to me, but definitely I'm gonna make sure that
Yeah.
I don't let him down and do everything possible and give my 1,000%.
Okay. Okay. Also, on the other hand, Avinash, like
Yeah.
this like an actor's job is definitely not easy. Once or twice, and that gets typecasted. Okay, so like this question I had, like even when we saw you playing Shan for 16 months in Ye Teri Galiyan, that you had
Mm-hmm.
replaced the leading actor of the show. Here also you have replaced Ritvik. Like, is there that sense
Uh,
of pressure, or that sense of responsibility कि कहीं ना कहीं लोग मतलब उस तरह से ना देखने लग जाए, because
uh,
these like टाइपकास्ट होना या फिर वो एक लीनिएज बन जाना, बहुत प्रेशर होता है एक्टर्स के ऊपर. आपके ऊपर वो प्रेशर था? हाउ वाज योर माइंडसेट लाइक?
से टोल्ड यू यार, मतलब अब ये तो मैं भी अभी जस्ट रियलाइज किया कि लास्ट शो में मैंने भी उसमें भी रिप्लेस किया था, यहाँ भी रिप्लेसमेंट, बट
या
एज एन एक्टर आई डोंट थिंक दैट वे यार, बिकॉज that will affect my performance. So as an actor, that's not my job to think कि यार I have replaced someone, so there will be comparison, there will be
या
arguments, there are gonna be
या
some Instagram rivalries. So that's not my
या
thing. I just have to focus on my acting and how I'm gonna perform, what's my character, what I should do as a homework. That's how it is. If I'll think about that way, then obviously back of the mind it will hit me ki like Avinash tu sahi kara nahi kara, so that will affect my performance,
yes
and that's
yes
really
yes
not a great thing for an actor. So I'm really not looking to those kind of stuff. I'm totally looking at the positive side. That's it.